To add a new user in Zenly, click on the Users tab at the top. This screen will show you all the current users that you have. Click on the New User button in the top right, and the New User screen will open and allow you to enter the loan originator or processor's information. The first tab that opens is the user's information. There are some required fields when entering a new user, and those have an asterisk beside them. Below the contact number, there's a checkbox. If you check this box, it'll allow the system to send codes to your phone. The system would use this for when the user wants to reset their password. If the box is left unchecked, then the system will use the user's email for sending codes to. Under the Loan Access View dropdown, this is where you will set up what files the users will see. They can see all loans and edit them, see all loans but only be able to view them, or only see their own loans and edit them. Below that, you have two checkboxes. Create new loans is automatically defaulted, but you can check the other box if you want them to be able to delete loans inside of the system. Under that is the Document Management Access. This gives permission to upload documents into a file, delete uploaded documents, or to send out e-signature packages to borrowers. Under that is the Directory Access. This is the address book that is saved inside of Zenly. If you give edit access to the user, they will be able to add and edit contacts that are saved into Zenly. If you give read only, it will only let the user use the contacts that are stored inside of the system. Over on the right, the Menu Loan Access. These are the tabs that a user will see inside of a file. So this is where we're going to give access and the abilities to the new user. Status has a read only or edit. This section allows the user to change the status of a file or add notes into a conversation log. The application area has the loan application, fee worksheet, and several other screens for a loan originator to work in. The Processing tab has processing documents such as tax returns, verifications, and certification forms. The Underwriting tab has a transmittal summary, an area to enter conditions, and a notice of action form. In the Reporting tab, we have the Mortgage Call Report screen and HMDA screen to allow for data collection. The Services tab allows the user to run credit, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and connect to the Mortgage Market Exchange. The Settings tab gives the ability to assign other users to the file and set up defaults in that file. If you select No Access, the user will not see that tab as an option in their file. Under that is User Profile. The User dropdown gives the ability to update the user's contact information and service credentials. The Interview portal gives access to the loan originator landing page and lets them update their photo or welcome message to their borrowers. Below that is the Administrator Access section. In this area, you can give your users the ability to access the Users tab to add or edit users. The same with the Templates area. If you give access to your user, they have the ability to edit any of your templates that are inside of the system. At the bottom is an area to add your company's state licenses. On the side menu, the Service Setting options, this is where you can enter this user's specific credentials for credit or Fannie Mae if they're not going to use the company ones. On the side menu at the bottom is Alert Configuration. This is how the user will receive alerts, emails, and in the system. To turn one off, toggle the button and it will become white, showing that it is turned off. The user is also able to update this under their profile. If you have any questions, please reach out to our dedicated customer support at 1-800-342-2599.